Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this small video. Yesterday I made a video and I sent out about a couple of trades, few US yen pairs and few CAD pairs, right? And based on the indexes. Remember I just made that video yesterday. So these were the trades, pound yen. I'm gonna just go quickly. These three yen pairs, right? Pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, all three in one day, and then the next day I did pound CAD, USD CAD, and euro CAD, CAD pairs, all three. Based on what? I did yen pairs, CAD pairs, because of this pair, right? I mean this index chart, CAD index chart, 20-minute chart. This is before, and this is what happened there. So CAD was getting strong, sending all the CAD pairs down. I took advantage and did three beautiful trades. Similarly, yen pairs, I did it because of this chart. You see this chart here? It was there, and what happened to this chart? Here. Yen got strong and sent all those yen pairs to the downside. Yen index is the opposite. You know, it is when it's dropping, it's getting strong. Okay, just the opposite of all the other pairs. I don't know why, but that's how it is. But then remember at the end of the video I said that the same things happening in some other charts, some other pairs, and I will take the trades and I'll show you. So this was I was talking about. Pound 29-minute chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I said, okay, this is what's going to happen. And the pair is going to go up and then it's going to go down. So what happened to this? Basically is this. We went up there on the 9th, and from here it's supposed to come down, and that's where I said in that video that, you know, it's cooking. We are going for wave 5, and then pound is going to be getting weaker when the pound index is going to drop, and all the pound pairs where pound is on the left hand side will be going down, like pound CAD, pound USD, pound Aussie, something like that, right? But unfortunately, I was able to take only one trade, but that was enough for everything else. This is what happened to this pound index chart. You see that? We have 4 and then we have 5. Okay? This is where we are now. And the trade I took was pound Aussie. This is how it is. On the 10th, you can see the date here. I mean, sorry, and the entry was on the 9th, closed on the 10th. All the way down, look how many pips. And I told you before that this is what I'm going to do based on pound index. And what happened to other pound pairs, you can go and take a look. Pound yen drop, pound CAD drop, but I just, you know, miss all of them. Okay. Sometimes, you know, I had to do, you know, other different things, so I'm not available also, and you mess things up. But this, you know, this is enough, right, for one day. And not only this one, I had another one when Aussie was moving. So these two pairs usually goes together. Pound Aussie and Euro Aussie. Okay, when Aussie was moving as well. So this one, you know, it didn't give me as much because, you know, Euro wasn't getting that weaker, but the pound was, and you know, it dropped big time. And this one is only, you know, a little over 100 pip drop. Nice clean was coming down here. Made the entry and boom. Okay, so this is how, when you are prepared and you are watching these index chart, they really come very handy. You see how, you know, it's beautiful that I knew before that. Now you know that a lot of people say that nobody has a crystal ball, nobody can predict this, that, blah, blah, blah. Why, how I'm doing it? It's just a matter of learning, that's it. Simple learn, you know, these are Elliott wave. And these are beautiful, you know, clear-cut candles, clear, you know, calculation here, and it's easy if you learn. So I had it that we're gonna go exactly here and then drop here. So look, really, what happened? Boom, boom, right? So this is how powerful it is, and you know, if you want to learn, you need to get on my website and subscribe and do it. Because, you know, not only this one, if I can show you pound Aussie, for example, this is gold chart, all right, so pound Aussie, no, pound Aussie I took, right? What about pound CAD? Let's go take a look just, you know, to see that what it did. I missed it, but how was it? Was there an entry from 20-minute chart, or did it go down? Because when pound is getting weaker, all pound pairs are supposed to go down, right? So let's go. Take a look. Come on, charts, load up. It's somehow, today it's my computer. This one's just running slow. Oh, come on. All right, here, look. I made this chart and then just to show it, because I missed the entries, but the entries were there. This one, this one, this one. This is all 10. See, May 10th. Out nice and clean, So that's the power of these, indexes, and with the combination. It's all is a combination. Like I said, my system is not just buy, sell signal coming in and then you're just pressing buttons. No. You have to learn a few things that, how do you make the charts like that. For example, horizontal lines that usually you see white lines, and where they come from, let me show it to you. Pound CAD, here we go. This was my CAD. This was my, chart, beautiful chart, and this is what's happening. I made this chart when we were here. If you really need to know where I got that chart from, so I'll just show you quickly. Look how I made this chart, okay? What was it? Pound CAD? Okay, pound CAD. Okay, here, and look. This was the chart on 24 March. And look what's happening now. All the way, boom, more than 800 pip. Keep coming down. So how hard it is if I take an entry from there, right? I just completely missed it. I don't believe it, but that's what happened. Look, these are the entries. Every day it does the same thing. Look, before that, how many entries? This is dropping for April 27, and then here you have April 30. Entries, right? Keep going down. And then you have this one is like May 2nd, all these entries. See, this is May 3rd. Then it went up a little bit for the retracement, and right from there, from the top, this is May 9th and May 10th. Nice and clean, keep coming down. All right? So this is how powerful it is. Everything is plan your trades and then trade your plan. Right? So once you learn it and do it properly, if you're doing otherwise, it's just gambling. It's not trading. That just think, oh yeah, it's supposed to go down. Boom, sell. No, you have to do all the calculation and everything. You have to do the mathematics, measurements and everything. Okay, what Elliott wave is it in? Is there an harmonic pattern? What are the supports and resistance coming in? All of that. This is my pound CAD monthly chart. This is how I have done homework on almost every pair and all the indexes. Monthly chart, my weekly chart, just like that. All the bullets, the numbers are done. So when you subscribe, I give you everything. All these charts, you will have it. You will have it ready. You don't have to go through anything. You just have to write down. Take this number, for example, right now we are here, right? So what is the next number coming in, possibly? Obviously, it's right there. 7162, 7113, right? These numbers are already gone. So these are the two numbers. So what I do is I go on 29-minute chart, draw. See this one here? So next number would be 26. What was that? 62, right? 7162. So on a 20-minute chart where we take the entries, we go at 71, 62 would be the next, I would say, okay, this would be the target. Next entry, take it and go to the target. 71, 62, there it is. This is 72, it would be, okay, so next entry comes in, I'll take it and go down here and close it. So right now we are 72.62, go to 71.62, that's 100 pips from here to here. All of these, 100, maybe 70, 80 pip, maybe 120 pip. This distance is 100 pip. So if, in the volume time, it stays there and start dropping, I'm going to take it and I'll take it all the way down to this number and I'll show it to you tomorrow. Okay, this is how it is. It's all plan, watch, and plan, and then wait for your entry, and the volume time is very important, volume time, right? And after that, take it. Right? So this is it for now. Like I said, if you like it, just go on my website, subscribe, and take it from there. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.